guys, so today I got a package and we're gonna open it together. It's a slime package, so let's open it. Alright, so everything's flying out, but let's start with the fishbowl beads. Looks like there is, I'm not gonna show you, but first you're gonna subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn the notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. So now let's get started. Alright. We have the red fishbowl beads. Oh, they're nice. They're nice. I like them. Alright. The blue fishbowl beads aren't that bad, actually. They make good noises. Blue fishbowl beads. Alright. Purple fishbowl beads. Those are nice. I like them. Okay. Looks like there are clear ones. Okay, those are nice. Then we have some green fishbowl beads. Shaky dewy. Now we have the rainbow fishbowl beads. Then a few more things, a lot more things. We have these cute things, but I'm just at the end because they're my favorites. And new glitter packs is flying everywhere. But we do have some pretty glitter packs. I think I opened it, but the package, alright. We have gold, green, kind of ugly, but you can use it. Pink, silver, that's nice, and red, and we cannot forget the classic color, blue glitter. So it goes right here. Then we have the fishbowl beads. Alright, those are nice. Nicely done. Now we have some containers for our slimes, because you need containers, or your slimes will dry out. So we have six of them. Then we have the lids. Okay. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna have some rainbow foam balls. Oh my gosh, these are like really satisfying to play with, but yep, we have them. Then we have white foam balls. Oh, those are nice. Big white fat ones. And much more. The rainbow fat ones. These pink ones, it's classic, and they're really bright. Green ones, because they're nice. Green. No. I need to go back to kindergarten. Blue. And these are my favorites. Alright. These are like little flowers. Like, look at that. It's so cute. We have these little fruits. Those are cute too. Lime. And desserts. Those are pretty nice. So like limes, apples, all kinds of little fruits. And those is all. Look at this. Okay. Wow. I can barely fit all of them in the frame, but that wasn't even all. And we can mix them like this. So I'm going to test them out. So I have this original slime. I'm going to add some foam balls. No, wait. Yeah, I'm going to add some foam balls. I'm going to add some white ones because they're interesting. And they're going to blast. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Sprinkle some. Okay, I'm going to put some, then some more. All right, I put some on my slime. And then we're gonna mix it up and mix it. Oh my gosh, this is pretty nice. I like it. Definitely one of my favorites. All right. The white foam balls are nice, but let's try the pink ones too. All right. I think that was a lid. Yeah. All right. Ooh, those are pretty cool. All right, we got some pink ones. All right, they work. All right. Don't know if you can see it, but there are the foam balls. So, go to repeat again. Foam balls. Here it is up close. Rainbow. It's kind of blue slime. Not sure what kind of slime I made. But let's try some glitter. I feel like it's gonna be hard to open, so. Get a little later. Alright, there you go. Added some more foam balls. Because I think they're pretty cool. Nicely done, Christine. Proud of myself. Oh, the texture of it. The colors are pretty cool too. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm pretty interested in these big fat white ones, so. I'm just gonna add boop, boop, boop. Made a little snowman. That's nice. That's cute. Okay. Let's start not connected. Oh my gosh. Tight, nice texture. Alright, it looks like there's extra glitter here. Add that. The glitters are just normal glitter. Nothing special about them. They're still pretty. Okay, here it is. Here's the finishing slime. And I'm gonna see, it also came with these tools. I don't know what to do with them. What do you do? Make shapes? What is this for? Rolling out? Oh wow, okay, that's cool. I just rolled it out and look, cool texture. Okay, I rolled it like a pen. Looks like a rug. Oh, so satisfying. Satisfaction. And also, these are pretty cool. I'd say so myself. They're pretty cool. And also these textures, like bumpy and much different. Oh, and also I'm gonna add something very special myself. Shaving cream. We all need shaving cream in our slimes, okay? Okay. Alright. My hands feel like, what's happening? I put a lot of shaving cream in this slime. Okay. Looks like if I put shaving cream in it, there was a test that the foam balls will not fall out. Check. And okay. Leave a link. Leave a comment if they're still opened. Shavy hands. I'm not a man, okay? put way too much. Ooh, and also go follow me on other social medias like TikTok. Shavy hands. Now all a trick is just like roll it into a ball. Oh my gosh, look at this slime, it's like going crazy. Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Alright, I think it's done. My hands are probably kind of clean now. And the slime is looking really nice, so yeah. It feels like life. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down there, right down there. And subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you're notified when I post a new video.